How to create an account on X. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new account on X, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, X will ask you to allow to send you notifications. You can allow or don't allow it. After you do that, over here, you can either create an account with your Google or you can also continue with your phone. Now, if you already have an account previously, you can go to login with username. After you select the option you like, simply select your country from over here and then enter your number. After that, X will send a verification code to your number or to your email if you've chosen the email account. After you enter your verification code over here, you have to enter your birth date. After you enter your birth date, you can enter your name from over here. After you do that, X will allow you to choose a username for your account. After you successfully do that, you can create a password for your account which you can easily remember. After that, you can also set a profile picture, or you can skip it and add your profile picture later. Then from here you have to select at least 3 topics in order to continue. After you select 3 of them, tap on continue, and then you can follow some people over here that you want. After you do that, tap on continue, and then you can follow your friends from over here, or you can simply tap on continue without following anyone. After you do that, you will successfully be able to create an account on X.